Manufacture in India Fund. Will this fund add value to your portfolio? Will this fund help you create wealth in the long term? Hi, this is Ramalingam from holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to take right financial and investment decisions to reach your financial goals faster and smarter. Kotak Manufacture in India Fund. Before taking a decision to invest in this fund or to avoid this fund, we have to analyze this fund. To analyze this fund, we have to understand and have clarity on the basic structure of this fund. Also, we have to understand investment strategy and investment objective of this fund. First, let us understand these basic details first, and then we can go to analysis. Kotak Mutual Fund ranks 5th in India based on total assets under management. It is almost managing 2.7 lakh crores of assets. The NFO is already open. It is open till 15th February 2022. This particular fund comes under the thematic fund category. Remember, it is an equity fund coming under thematic category. So this fund is not a diversified equity fund. They will be based on a particular theme. This fund follows manufacture in India theme. So the fund manager will be restricted to invest only in this theme. Whereas in a diversified equity fund, a fund manager can choose to have multiple themes in his portfolio. Based on the outlook, he can change the theme also. Whereas in a thematic fund, the fund manager will be strictly following this theme and selecting sectors and stocks which are in link with this particular theme. He can't go outside this theme and invest. Even if there is an opportunity outside this theme, he will not be able to encash. This fund is a regular open-ended fund. After the NFO period is over, like after 5 working days, the fund will open for regular purchase and repurchase. There is no entry load for this particular fund. What is the investment objective of this fund? This fund seeks to generate capital appreciation in the long term by investing in a diversified portfolio of companies that follow the manufacturing theme. So this will create a portfolio of companies which are based on manufacturing theme. Investment strategy. This fund will select stocks from manufacturing index by and large, and the fund will be investing in companies having the potential to bring higher returns by making use of technological or procedural abilities to operate and create value for customers. So they will invest in manufacturing companies which can create value for customers by making use of technological and procedural abilities. Nifty India Manufacturing Index versus Nifty 500, when we compare the performance of these two indexes, though it is not an index fund, Nifty India Manufacturing Index is the benchmark index. So we have compared the Nifty 500 index versus Nifty India Manufacturing Index performance. When we did the rolling return based analysis, over and above 5-year period, Nifty India Manufacturing Index is able to outperform Nifty 500. So that is the advantage of this fund. And for this particular theme, in our present economic climate, there are very supportive measures. So there are tax cuts, there are single window clearance, electronic clusters, import duty protection. So there are many positives are there in our economy with reference to this Kotak Manufacture in India theme. Now we have understood the basic details of this policy. this fund. We have also understood the investment strategy. We have also understood the investment objective of this fund, and about this theme also we have covered. Now we have understood the fund, we can start analyzing this fund. First, let us understand what are all the pros, advantages, potential merits of this fund. We will see. This fund has the potential to outperform Nifty 500 in the long run, because Nifty manufacturing index has got the potential to outperform Nifty 500. So if this fund is managed well, this is an active fund. If this fund is managed well by the fund manager, then definitely this fund has got the potential to outperform Nifty 500 index in the long run. This fund will deliver better return if the manufacture in India theme picks up. If this particular theme, manufacture in India, picks up and delivers very good return, and if this theme works very well, then definitely this fund can deliver above average return. This fund has got the suitability for investors seeking long-term capital growth. But again, it is a thematic fund. How much allocation you need to give in your portfolio, that you can check up with your financial planner. What are all the drawbacks or potential demerits of this fund? Because of this COVID situation, manufacturing industries are getting affected. If the situation continues, it can impact the performance of manufacturing companies, and in turn it can impact this particular fund. Commodity prices are on rise because of inflation. This is a red signal for this fund. If the geopolitical developments limits the availability of raw materials, if we are not able to import raw materials because of COVID situation or geopolitical situation, then manufacturing companies may suffer. Because of that, this fund may suffer. Being a thematic fund, this fund has got concentration risk. They have to select from a limited set of thematic stocks. They can't go and select stocks outside this theme. In a diversified equity fund, he can invest based on multiple themes, so which has got a better diversification ability. Whereas in this fund, they have to restrict themselves to the bucket of manufacture in India theme. They can select companies only based on this particular theme. So this fund has got the potential concentration risk. Next, if this particular theme is not picking up and if it is not delivering, then this fund may deliver poor returns, may take relatively longer time to recover. In a diversified equity fund, if the fund manager feels that manufacture in India theme will do well, if the outlook is good for manufacture in India theme, he may have higher exposure to these particular thematic stocks in a diversified equity fund. If the outlook changes and goes negative for manufacture in India theme, he can change the portfolio to a different theme. Whereas in a thematic fund, there is no such flexibility, freedom for the fund manager to move from one theme to other theme. So if this particular theme fails to perform, then the fund will suffer, fund will take longer time to recover. Returns may be impacted by any change or regulation in government policies of selected theme. Yes, if government increases GST or any other new regulation for any manufacturing companies, that it can impact the performance of manufacturing companies and in turn affect the manufacture in India theme. So we have analyzed the pros and cons of this fund. What is the final takeaway now? Should I invest or should I avoid? Right? It depends upon what kind of investor are you. If you are a conservative investor, then remember this thematic fund comes with higher risk compared to a diversified equity fund. So being a conservative investor, you may want to avoid this fund, because in your core portfolio, this cannot be part of your portfolio. Even if you are an aggressive investor and you want to have exposure to manufacture in India theme, there are similar existing funds available. Existing funds has got a good track record and a portfolio. When a fund has got a track record and portfolio, you will be able to analyze how they have performed in the past. When you look at the portfolio, you may have a forward-looking clue how this portfolio may perform. You will be able to do a risk versus return analysis. You will be able to do it with track record and a portfolio. Being an NFO, Kotak Manufacture in India fund is not having a track record, not having a portfolio. So we will not be able to do any kind of risk return analysis at this point in time. We will not be able to do it. If we could wait for the fund to reopen and invest and have a track record, and if we could see the portfolio also, then we will have a better idea. Definitely, this is not for your core portfolio. Maybe in your satellite portfolio, 5% of allocation can be given to thematic funds. Again, when you are investing in thematic funds, I would strongly suggest select existing funds with a good track record instead of an NFO. If you are an aggressive investor and want to invest on an experimental basis in this fund, then you can go ahead and invest a minimum investment in this fund. If you have any questions related to this particular fund or any other investment options, feel free to book a free appointment with our financial planner. The link for the free appointment is given below this video in the description box. Would you like to attend insightful investment webinars for free? Yes, we organize regular investment webinars. The registration link for the free investment webinars are given in the description box. Please register for the upcoming webinar and understand the logics, tricks, tips for creating wealth. Last but not the least, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get regular updates about the new videos and wealth creation opportunities. Thank you. Bye.